Everybody, so whoever needs help with 81 and 89, I'm going to just do them real quick here. So we have the cube root of negative 81 plus 4 cube root of 3. 81 is not a perfect cube, but it can be broken up into a perfect cube. So we're going to break it up into the cube root. Well, 27 would give us a perfect cube. Now since it's a negative inside, we're going to make the 27 negative. Because if you can pull out the negative with the cube roots, you're going to want to do that. And then we have plus 4 cube root of 3. All right, and so here we have negative 3 cube root of 3 plus 4 cube root of 3. So we just combine our like terms now. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1, so we just have 1 cube root of 3. We don't have to write a 1 in front. We just have that as our answer. For here, I would probably simplify inside first before multiplying. You can multiply first if you'd like to. But what I would do is I would simplify this cube root of 32. 8 is a perfect cube that goes into that, so I'd say the cube root of 8 times the cube root of 4, which turns into cube root of 4. I'm getting that cube root of 4 from right here, just pull it down, plus 2 cube root of 4. And that's inside parentheses, and then we have the cube root of 3 on the outside. So I have the cube root of 3 times 1 cube root of 4 plus 2 cube root of 4. So I have the cube root of 3 times 3 cube root of 4. Which gives me 3 cube root of 12. Twelve doesn't have any perfect cube factors, so that is my final answer, 3 cube root of 12. If you have any more questions, please come to the open meet and ask them there.